I got it.
Okay. Oh, back over here. Take pictures. Oh, that we can what's the picture? Where's the picture interaction?
Where are we? Oh, back at the drilling rig again. Hopefully I'm gonna find it this time.
Yeah,
Uh,
we got that.
well, on the bright side, we got a flamethrower.
Heavy
Okay.
man. Actually, I think I bugged it. I'm gonna hope I don't explode in a second.
Oh god.
I'm good.
Alright, I'm gonna leave one on if I can. Hello? You just joined us.
Holy shit, the wonk.
Hi, Barry.
Hello.
Did
The
you want to play
wonk.
with us?
Nope, can't do that. I'm gonna be eating out with my family soon.
Ah, fair
Oh
enough.
hell yeah! What you going out to eat?
Uh, like a barbecue thing.
Yummers.
Just going to have to eat Chinese people.
Already done that.
Oh.
What else you like?
This is Mayo's last day on Earth. And she's
This
dead.
is true.
Don't worry. Anyway, Mayo, what do you think I should give before I send them out?
Sorry, I didn't respond earlier, because I was playing this. Well, I mean, he has lots of supernatural friends, but I don't know if Quincy would be interested in that.
Hold on. CT scanning of Herbie the Pooh has no soul. Oh, hell yeah.
Oh.
That.
Oh my god, there's so much more to this oil drilling rig. Right.
Yeah.
Doggy treats.
Full on
40+
treats.
chance to tame huskies by female. Negative. Huskies have 60% chance to bite you. Okay. Now, I've gotten this before and it sucks.
Yeah,
Gas
this sort of
guzzler.
stuff.
That also sucks. Military veteran increases. There is no get that part. Glow stick. How's it going with the oil tanks?
Is that what the objective is? We're not finding bodies this time? Oh,
No.
yeah. Just take pictures
They
of the oil
changed.
tanks. Oh my god.
Yep. I
Okay.
took pictures of one. I think I need another one.
Okay. I thought I was looking for a body. Whoopsie.
Oh my god, you poor soul.
Yeah, let me run back so I don't find one.
Okay, I
Oh,
found it. Never
you
mind.
did it. Should we keep moving?
I was looking for that interactive wall. I like circled around that oil tank like several times looking for it. Okay. Yeah, we go to the med bay. Hold on, let's meet up first.
Alright, there you
There
are.
you are. Like creepily crouching over there. Yeah, let's go get it.
Do you have a gun already?
Nope. Alright,
Yeah.
this cool sick ass glow stick though. Oh shoot.
Do you want the flare gun too?
Nah, that's good. Keep the flare gun. But yeah, Perry?
Anyway, I'm just not too sure what Gunnar honestly has to say. He literally walked up with nothing to give it to him.
Hmm. trying to think. Trying to
Thinker.
I mean, Quincy could ask him to retrieve a specific item from the depths while he's down there for him. A specific body part.
I really doubt that.
Yeah.
Yeah, he would have just done it himself. That's the thing.
Yeah, I was about to say, Quincy probably solos the depths by himself. Exactly. Yeah.
No. I'm getting real cold.
Why are you so cold?
I don't know. There's a blizzard.
Okay, Pat.
Oh hey, I
Let's
might be able to
reset it.
refuel here. Safety. Yeah, there's diesel.
Helicopter!
Oh my god! Give it a shot.
I have a few times. I think the first time though, I got while I was in it, and it crashed and killed everyone. It was bad.
Oh. This gas station's really nice. I wonder if we can mark it. Oh, it's that med bay.
Yep. What's the med bay? Find and collect classified artifact. They're always in these buildings. Oh, I found it.
Oh, wow. Should we stay here in the night or just try flying ahead of whatever's coming for us?
Probably.
Hey, this is buckshot. You need to take it.
Oh shoot, yeah. Probably try flying, but then again, flying is hard. It's kind of like how you fly in Black Hawk.
Okay.
Kind of. I say kind of. Very loosely.
How do I get out of here? Oh, there you go. Honestly, that's a good mine. You could use it as a defense. We could try to fly it though, yeah.
This ice pick. There's 2 ice picks in here if you want a melee weapon.
Did we already complete the objective? Yeah, that was the only objective. Okay.
Yeah. There's also jet skis here and the big tank thing if you want to be safer. But we can fly.
Yeah, I do want to try flying. Alrighty. Might as well. It's just the two of us.
Do you wanna fly or?
I mean, do you want to fly? Cause I'll try if, but
I'm down to fly. I've learned it like a little bit, but I'm not good at it. I could try though. It's hard.
Okay. I guess we do this. Here we go. You got this.
Let me remember how to rise up. It's like stupidly hard. There
Okay. Well, to be fair, I think it's meant to be hard to fly in this weather, but holy crap. Alright. Doing pretty good.
I forgot it's like mouse controls. So I do this number. I don't know how to get down, by the way, so Godspeed.
Oh god, I don't think we'd see a mountain if we were about to hit one.
Nope.
Let's lower real slowly. This feels more like a nosedive. I hope it isn't.
I don't know where we're at.
I assume we're above it.
It is now dark. Very, very dark. Hi, Ram.
Hi Ram. Do you want to join us?
No. Holy fuck, no. Is that,
What?
No, because I get scared and
I'm playing completely in the dark, so.
Yeah, I'm noticing that too. Try pressing the F button.
F?
Yeah. There you go, we do have lights. It's not great, but
Not very
something.
good ones.
Closing in fast. Maybe a little fast. Oh. This is hell.
Okay. I need to figure out how to descend. I don't know how to descend.
Maybe it's Q?
Q is to get out. Oh.
Oh, I am so sorry.
Maybe shift.
I'm trying shift. It's not exactly working.
Do you think space is a bad idea?
Control. I'll try control. Am I going down?
Oh, it seems like you're getting real close. Oh, we're getting further away now. Oh, we're going to die.
Okay. Why are we rapidly going away from it?
I don't know.
I should have figured out how to get.
You're breaking up. Oh, hey, wait, we can see it on the map. Oh, we're going to die.
Or at least down. I know how to go up. Oh, look at the people control. Oh. Hey, I think I would have nailed it if I knew how to go down.
If you... Hello? I just fell out. I fell to my death.
So, I disconnected.
I
I'm
think
so sorry.
either your internet or mine blinked out for like 10 seconds and that was all it took. Oh my god.
Controls.
Oh, I'm still alive. Well, nope, that's you. That's you.
Oh my god.
What the... Okay, maybe we don't try the helicopter yet. I think we could get it eventually. Just probably
I
not in the
think-
middle of the night.
I think if I tried in like
I'll make it
like
frequent.
learned it in the solo game.
What? I think it'll
I
be
probably
easier
did.
if we learned it like during the daytime too. That might work. Anyway, let me get out of here
Yeah.
and reset the lobby. I'll make the
Okay,
helicopters
one more
frequent.
attempt at this game.
Okay.